Children, in the previous class we have learned information processing. Today we are going to learn multiplication.
Mom, today ma'am has taught me multiplication. Mom, can you please explain me? Yes, baby, bring your book. I will explain you about multiplication. Multiplication is adding the same number to a specified number of times. Here we have the example 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. Here we add 4 3 times and the answer is 12. This can be written as 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Multiplication is a quicker way to add the number occurring repeatedly. Here is the symbol of multiplication. Can you see some trees? Yes, Mom. Yes, there are 5 groups and in each group there are 4 trees. So totally there are 20 trees. This can be written as 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 4 is the number of trees in each group. 5 is the number of groups. And 20 is the total number of trees. 4 is called as multiplicand. 5 is called as multiplier. And 20 is called as the product. Multiplication of a number with other number can be done in the following ways. 1. Dot multiplication. 2. Repeated addition. 3. Regrouping. 4. Standard multiplication algorithm. And 5. Lattice multiplication. Now can we see dot multiplication? See here. Some stars are given in the boxes. Yes, Mom, I like stars very much. We can't count the stars in the sky. But here you can count and write the number of stars in the boxes. Yes, Mom. In first box, number of horizontal rows are 2 and number of vertical columns are 4. Therefore, total number of stars are 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Can you try the second box? Yes, Mom. Number of horizontal rows? 3. Number of vertical columns? 3. So total number of stars? 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Very good.
How many butterflies are there in horizontal rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many butterflies are in vertical column? 1, 2, 3. So total number of butterflies are 4 3s are 12. So there are 12 butterflies. Children, now we can find total number of snowmen in this picture. Children, how many snowmen are standing in horizontal row? So the number of snowmen standing in horizontal row is 1, 2, 3. How many snowmen are standing in vertical column? The number of snowmen standing in vertical column is 1, 2. So, total number of snowmen are 3 2s are 6. So, 6 snowmen are in this picture.
Now we are going to see repeated addition. Flowers! Yes, some purple flowers are given. Hey Smoke, can you add the flowers? 3 flowers are separated and given in 3 groups. So we can add it as 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. We can also write it as 3 into 3 is equal to 9. See here your favorite apples. Oh, apples! I like it very much. Here, 5 apples are given in 4 groups. Can you add it for me? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 20. Yes, correct. Can you write it in multiplication? 4 into 5 is equal to 4 5s are 20. Very good.
Children, now we can find the total number of leaves. How many leaves are there in first group? 1, 2, 3, 4. First group 4 leaves. Same way second group 4 leaves. Third group 4 leaves. Fourth group also 4 leaves. Now we can find the total number of leaves using repeated addition. So first 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 16. So 4 groups of 4 leaves make 16. Now we can write this in multiplication method. So number of groups 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into number of leaves in a single group is 4. 4 into 4 equal to 4 4s are 16. So 16 leaves are there. Multiplication is the short form of repeated addition. Now we can learn multiplication table 2. Look at here. In each box has 2 balls. So first box has 2 balls. Now we can write this in repeated addition fact. So how many balls are there? 2 balls. Now we can write this in multiplication fact. Each box has 2 balls. Number of box is 1. So 2 ones are 2. Now we can add 1 box. So in repeated addition 2 plus 2. In multiplication fact each box has 2 balls. So 2 into how many boxes are here? 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. Now we can add 1 more box. In repeated addition 2 plus 2 plus 2. In multiplication fact each box has 2 balls. Then how many boxes are here? 3 boxes are here. So 2 3s are 6. Now we can add 1 more box. So in repeated addition fact 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. In multiplication fact each box has 2 balls. 2 into how many boxes are here? 4 boxes are here. So 2 4s are 8. Now we can add 1 more box. In repeated addition fact 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. In multiplication fact 2 5s are 10. Children, In the same way, we can write 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 12. In multiplication fact, 2 6 are 12. Same way, 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. Now let us learn multiplication table. Children, repeat with me. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. Children, now we can fill these empty boxes. They have given 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. So, 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are also 6. So, 2 4s are 8. 4 2s are also 8. 5 2s are 10. 2 5s are also 10. 2 6 are 12. 6 2s are also 12. 2 7s are 14. 7 2s are also 14. So 2 8s are 16. 8 2s are also 16. 9 2s are 18. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. 10 2s are 20. Children, repeat with me. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. So, children, multiplication is the short form of repeated addition. Now we can fill in the boxes. Here 2 into 6. Now we want to find 2 into 6. First we can take and write the question. 2 is a multiplicand into 6 is a multiplier equal to. The answer is product. 2 into 6. So while doing multiplication sum, we have to say the tables. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are is 12. So we can take and write easily. So 2 6 are 12. Here 2 is a multiplicand, 6 is a multiplier, 12 is a product. 12 is a product. Next sum. 2 8s are. Next question. 2 8s are. While doing sum, what we have to do? We have to say the tables. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. So 2 8s are 16. Third question. 7 into 2 equal to. What is the value of 7 2s are? Here 2 7s are, 7 2s are, both will be same. So 7 2s are is 14. 7 2s are is 14. Children, today we have learned multiplication, dot multiplication, repeated addition and multiplication table 2. Copy these in your term book. Thank you, children.